How to increment datetime by custom months in Python without using library. I need to increment the month of a datetime value. When the month is 12, it becomes 13 and raises error month must be in 1, 12. I expected the year would increment. I wanted to use timer delta, but it doesn't take month argument. There is relative delta Python package, but I don't want to install it just only for this. Also there is a solution using datetime. I don't want to convert from datetime to str then to time, and then to datetime, therefore, it's still a library too. Does anyone have any good and simple solution just like using timer delta?
Edit. Based on your comment of dates being needed to be rounded down if there are fewer days in the next month, here is a solution. In use. Also, if you're not worried about hours, minutes and seconds, you could use date rather than datetime. If you are worried about hours, minutes and seconds, you need to modify my code to use datetime and copy hours, minutes and seconds from the source to the result.
This is short and sweet method to add a month to a date using datetotals relative delta. A word of warning. Relative delta months equals 1 and relative delta month equals 1 have different meanings. Passing month equals 1 will replace the month in original date to January, whereas passing months equals 1 will add 1 month to original date. Note, this will require Python datetotal module. If you are on Linux, you need to run this command in the terminal in order to install it. Explanation: add month value in Python.
Here's my salt. Quick and easy smile. Since no one suggested any solution, here is how I solve so far.
Yep.